to redo this one, right? Yeah, see, I've been down in the deep, struggling and praying for weeks. Something ain't right with my soul if I can't hear when he speak. Spiritually battling the beast, trying to take over my peace. I started fasting and reaching places I couldn't even see, and now I'm covered in power. Watch it take over my lungs, speaking life in the dreams that people told me were done. I get a good revelation when I go speak to his son. His name is Jesus, the reason why every battle was won. I remember sitting in my room, clutching one hand on the Glock, feeling like I'm so protected, but barely trusting in God, cause fear was sitting in my body, but never knew this before. Crazy new spiritual encounter where he show up at the door, and that's what I know about rolling down in the deep.
When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an